Hey, good afternoon. This is Arena Spice. Today, I bought a duck and a chicken for the holiday, Christmas, New Year. So I was cutting out. I just feel like show you all how to cut a duck up, but now I already cut in the middle here, and I took the head out. As I was trying to split it in two half. So now I bought it at the Fowl Farm. So this is what it comes with: the liver, the gizzard. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this up now. I'll let you all see. I'll split it in two half. Cut it like this. As you can see, so it's just showing you how I'm gonna get this open. Yes, as you can see, I split it in the middle. Now I'm gonna I took the neck out. This is the neck. I'm going to take the wing off. You know that when you buy these ducks or chicken, the Fowl Farm usually roast it to take out all these little feathers. They burn it out, you call them. So they do it. So we cut off the wings. It's like we take the wings off like this. And we take the foot off like this. It would have been nice to show you all how the Fowl Farm usually do it, but I let it come here so I could do it because sometimes they don't do a good job. Oh, there it is, comes off. So now I'm going to show you how to split it in two because I cut the one side. That's how it is, and you cut the other side. Now you cut this. This is it. Some people eat this. I don't eat. I don't eat it. I'll show you, how you can save the anyway. So I'm gonna bust it in two and you'll see how it goes. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut it in two. As I cut it, open the top there, I will put a knife here and cut it in two. So there it is. So there it is. So we cut it out in two. So there it is. Anyway, I'm gonna show you now. I take out, that's how I cut the duck up. I take out the wings, the legs, and I cut it in two halves. So I'm showing you how you do half of the duck. This way you can learn how. So I'm gonna cut it like this. See, I mark it like this. Like this. So as you see, I'm slicing it up like this. I always put a knife so that you can guide it like this. I'll chop it right down. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it here because the back is there. This is our back. So we cut this up like this. See, this is like this. So we're gonna take all this out. This is bone. So look, that's how it is. Okay, so I'm gonna try and cut it like this. See how nice it come out now. This is how we cook it in this way. See, I mark it now so it'll be easier for Anyways, I want to continue. This is how it look. Nice piece of flesh. And this is the next step. Now I'm going to show you how to cut the leg. The leg is very easy to cut. So you cut it like this. Now just cut it down. So I marked it out. So this is how you cut it. This is one piece. If you want, you could take this off. The bone here. This is, see? And then we can cut this one back one time more. There it is. So that's how you chop a duck. Anyway, this is the wings. The duck get a different wings from chicken. So this is how you cut it. Either you cut it back or you leave it like this. Now, you notice all these little hairs. That's why they roast it, to take out these take it out like that. And this now either you leave it like this or you cut it back. You know, it doesn't matter. So that's how we cut the duck up. So I'm gonna show you now. All right, so this is the neck. So we just cut up the neck like in 3 pieces, and that's it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. This I just give you an idea how to cut a duck, and well, if I don't know how to cut a duck, there's something they could learn here. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Orina Spice. Bye.